Yep.
Alright. I'm Kevin Dino, and my topic is about the legal drinking age in America. My major claim is that keeping the drinking age at 21 would be beneficial for the American youth rather than lowering it to 18. I have three supporting claims. My first one is that the current drinking age is working. My second supporting claim is that a lower drinking age will increase underage drinking. And my third supporting claim is that drinking under 21 results in lower physical and mental performance. For my first supporting claim, the current drinking age is working. The purpose of the drinking age is to prevent people from under 21 years old to consume alcohol. And the government and the general public believes that people that are 18 aren't responsible enough to handle alcohol. A report from MADS, which is a group called Mothers Against Drunk Driving, says that according to a poll in 2007, 3 out of 4 Americans would oppose a law that would lower the legal drinking age to 18. With that said, one of the biggest concerns with age and responsibility is drunk driving. According to the MADS, since the early 1980s, when the drinking age of 21 was instated, the number of young people who die yearly in drunk driving accidents under 21 has been cut in half, from more than 5,000 young people dying yearly down to 2,000 people in 2005. One could argue that in European countries with a lower drinking age, it enables teenagers to obtain a higher responsibility at lower ages, and then it results in their lower drunk driving rates. But in European countries, they have those lower rates because the license age is 18, and the license is a lot harder to obtain there rather than here. And in Europe, mass transit systems are heavily used, so not that many people have need for a car in the first place. For my second supporting claim, a lower drinking age will increase underage drinking. Although 18 through 20-year-olds wouldn't be considered underage drinkers anymore and wouldn't be a part of the underage drinking percentage, those 18 through 20-year-olds would be able to provide alcohol to younger people. According to the National Center on Addiction and Substance Abuse at Columbia University, 1/3 of 6th and 9th graders obtain alcohol from their own homes. So let's say in a class of about 30 8th graders, and that's about 10 of them that can get alcohol from their own homes. Ironically, I was talking with my 14-year-old cousin on Sunday, and I asked him what he did Saturday, and he said he drank a couple beers with his friends. And I was like, "You're 14, how did you get alcohol so easily?" And he said his friend got it from his parents. So there you go. So with those 18-year-olds being able to supply alcohol to their 14-year-old siblings, with the possibility of those students who have siblings that are 18 or older, the ease of access to alcohol will become much greater, and thus resulting in alcohol consumption at even earlier ages. And again, with the argument about the European drinking age of 18, the MAD actually reports that European teenagers have higher intoxication rates and binge drinking rates compared to American teenagers. Obviously, this is because alcohol is more available to them. So if we make our drinking age 18, then our intoxication rates could rise and could possibly even match theirs. For my third supporting claim, the drinking under 21 results in lower physical and mental performance. According to the National Drug and Alcohol Abuse Helpline, the human brain does not stop developing until his or her 20s. So thus, drinking before the age of 21 can result in poor physical and mental development. This can affect one's ability to perform in school, sports, and work. Also, according to the National Center on Addiction and Substance Abuse, individuals who begin drinking before the age of 15 are 4 times more likely to become alcohol dependent than those who begin drinking at 21. If the drinking age were to be lowered to 18, it would mean that alcohol would be more available to those 15-year-olds, and thus resulting in more young teens becoming more susceptible to alcohol. With that said, the drinking age of 21 is working and is very effective, and lowering it to 18 would result in more underage drinking, more drunk driving, and negative effects on the growth of young adults.